Now the taxpayers can file nil GSTR1 on a single click. Filing of GSTR1 is a two-way process. The first step being clicking of Generate Summary button, and the second step being clicking of Proceed to File button. Then only GSTR1 will be filed. For filing nil GSTR1 also the same steps need to be followed. Now an advisory has been issued by GSTN regarding filing of nil GSTR1 on a single click. The conditions for filing nil GSTR1 are: the taxpayers may file nil GSTR1 when they have no outward supplies during the month or quarter on which Form GSTR1 need to be filed. Outward supplies includes supplies on which tax is to be charged on reverse charge basis, zero rated supplies, and deemed exports. Second condition: no amendments are to be made to any of the supplies declared in earlier GSTR1. Third condition: no credit or debit notes to be declared or amended. Fourth condition: no details of advances received for services is to be declared or adjusted. The steps to file nil GSTR1 are: the taxpayers has to log into the GST portal and has to select GSTR1 for the relevant period from the returns dashboard. Then the taxpayers need to select File nil GSTR1 checkbox. In the GSTR1 dashboard, a File nil GSTR1 checkbox shall be available at the top. If the taxpayer is eligible to file nil GSTR1, then the taxpayer can select File nil GSTR1 checkbox. On clicking the checkbox, the system will show a note related to nil filing regarding the four conditions relating to filing of nil GSTR1, and all the tiles or tables shall be hidden. Since the tiles or tables need not be filled for filing nil GSTR1, those tiles or tables are not relevant, so those tiles or tables will be hidden. This is the first step regarding filing of nil GSTR1. Then one more important point: nil GSTR1 shall not be allowed in case where there are already saved records in GSTR1. In this case, the taxpayer are advised to delete already saved records or reset GSTR1 data by clicking Reset button available on GSTR1 dashboard before filing nil GSTR1. Then the second step to file nil GSTR1, the taxpayer need to click File Statement button. It will be available at the bottom of the GSTR1 dashboard page. On clicking the File Statement button, the taxpayer will be navigated to the filing page to file GSTR1 or IFF using DSC or EVC. Either digital signature or EVC can be used to file the nil GSTR1. If you like the video, please like, comment and share the video. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel. For further notifications, please press the bell icon. Thank you.